Exercise number 11.4, question number 4. A ball is thrown vertically upward from the ground with an initial velocity of 39.2 meters per second. If the only force considered is that attributed to the acceleration due to gravity, find subdivision 1. How long will it take for the ball to strike the ground? Subdivision 2. The speed with which will it strike the ground? And subdivision 3. How high the ball will rise? Solution. If we differentiate the distance, we get the velocity. If we integrate the velocity, we get the distance. And if we differentiate the velocity v, we get the acceleration. If we integrate the acceleration, we get the velocity. We know that velocity dv by dt is equal to a, that is acceleration. We know that acceleration is equal to gravity. Gravity is equal to minus 9.8 meters per second square, which implies dv is equal to minus 9.8 into dt. Taking integration on both sides, integral dv is equal to integral minus 9.8 dt, which implies v is equal to minus 9.8 t plus c. 9.8 constant, அதுக்கு integration ஒரு variable மட்டும் add பண்ணணும், minus 9.8 t. The initial velocity is given. The initial velocity is 39.2 meters per second. அப்போ அந்த time taken is 0 seconds. Startingல time வந்து 0 seconds, velocity 39.2. அப்போ substitute v is equal to 39.2 and t is equal to 0. We get 39.2 is equal to minus 9.8 into 0 plus c. அப்போ c is equal to 39.2. Therefore, the velocity is equal to minus 9.8 t plus c की बला 39.2. put equation number 1. Subdivision 1. How long will it take for the ball to strike the ground? When the maximum height reached, the velocity v equal to 0. Maximum height reach பண்ணும்போது velocity 0 ஆகும்போது தான் maximum height reach ஆகும், உடனே return ஆயிரும். Therefore, subdivision equation number 1 implies velocity 0 equal to minus 9.8 t plus 39.2. Therefore, 9.8 t is equal to 39.2. T is equal to 39.2 by 9.8. We get t is equal to 4. Therefore, after 4 seconds, 4 செகண்டுக்கு அப்புறம் ball வந்து maximum height reach பண்ணுது. Therefore, the time of ascent. Therefore, the time of ascent is 4 seconds and the time of descent is equal to 4 seconds. The total time that the ball will take to strike the ground is 4 plus 4 seconds. That is 8 seconds. Subdivision 2. The speed with which will it strike the ground? Ground strike பண்ணனும்னா எத்தனை செகண்ட் கழிச்சு கிரவுண்டுக்கு வருது? Ascent 4, descent 4, upper total 8 seconds. After 8 seconds, we have to find the velocity. After 8 seconds, the ball strikes the ground. T is equal to 8. Therefore, equation number 1 implies v is equal to minus 9.8 into 8 plus 39.2. 9.8 into 8 is equal to 78.4. Therefore, v is equal to minus 78.4 plus 39.2. And simplify panna, v is equal to minus 39.2 meters per second. Velocity, downward velocity negative sign வருது. அப்போ therefore original velocity v is equal to 39.2 meters per second. Next, subdivision 3. How high the ball will rise? How high the ball will rise? If we integrate v, we get the distance s. So subdivision 1, equation number 1 implies v is equal to ds by dt is equal to minus 9.8 t plus 39.2. Taking integration on both sides, s is equal to minus 9.8 t integration t square by 2, constant integration 39.2 into t. Therefore, cut கொடுத்தா 2 9.8 cut கொடுத்தா 4.9. அப்போ s is equal to minus 4.9 t square plus 39.2 t. After 4 seconds, it will reach the maximum height. Therefore, s equal to minus 4.9 into 4 square plus 39.2 into 4. Therefore, minus 4.9 into 16 plus 39.2 into 4, that is 156.8. Therefore, minus 78.4 plus 156.8, that is equal to 78.4 meters.